Hello everyone, welcome back to me. My name is Muhammad Dzikry Tegar Wiratama, NPM 25313014. I'm in University Teknokrat, Indonesia. Welcome back to this channel. In this video, we are going to discuss an important component of the CPU, which is the control unit and how it operates. The control unit is responsible for directing all operations inside the processor. Without it, the CPU will not be able to execute instructions properly. By the end of this video, you will understand what control unit is, its main functions, how the control unit operates step by step, and the difference between hardwired and microprogrammed control units. Let's get started. What is control unit? The control unit, or CU, is a part of central processing unit that manages and coordinates all activities inside the processor. It does not perform calculation or store data. Instead, it controls the flow of data between the arithmetic logic unit (ALU), registers, memory, input and output devices. The control unit tells each component what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. Next, when functions of the control unit. The control unit has several important functions. First, instruction fetching. It fetches instruction for main memory. Second, instruction decoding. It interprets the instructions to understand what operation is required. Third, control signal generations. It generates control signals that activate different parts of the CPU. Fourth, sequencing operations. It ensures that operations occur in the correct order. 5. Managing data flow. It controls how data moves between registers, ALU, and memory. These functions allow the CPU to execute program correctly and efficiently. We will next about the things next. Instruction cycle and control unit operations. The operations of the control unit can be explained using the instruction cycle. The instruction cycle consists of four main steps. First, fetch. Sorry. The control unit retrieves the instruction from memory using the program counter. Second, decode. The instruction is decoded to determine the operations and operands. Third, execute. The control unit sends signals to the ALU, registers or memory to perform the operations. Four, store. The result is stored back in a register or memory. The control unit repeats this cycle continuously while the program is running. We will next in control signals and timing. Control signals are electrical signals generated by the control unit. These signals enable registers, select ALU operations, control memory read and write operations. Timing is also very important. The control unit uses a clock signal to synchronize all operations. Its instructions may require multiple clock cycles to complete, and the control unit ensures proper timing for each step. Next, types of control. Types of control units. There are two main types of control units. First is hardwired control unit. This type uses fixed logic circuits. It is very fast but difficult to modify or upgrade. Second, microprogrammed control unit. This type uses micro instructions stored in control memory. It is more flexible but slightly slower than hardwired control. Both types are used depending on systems design requirement. Okay, we will next to the last example of control unit operations. Let's consider a simple instruction like ADD R1, R2. The control unit fetches the instruction. It decodes it is on ADD operations. It sends signals to move data to move data from R1 and R2 to the ALU. The ALU performs the additions. The result is stored back in registers. All these steps are controlled by the control unit using control signals and timing. Conclusion is, to summarize, the control unit is the brain inside the CPU that control uh, understanding control unit operation is essential for learning advanced topics such as processor design, pipelining, parallel processing, and that's all. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. And if you want to ask this, type in the comment. Okay, we will next in the next video maybe. Goodbye.